Okay, we just finished part two of the intro for section 1, 2 of geometry, posted on the Canvas page that you all have access to. So let's go to part three. Actually, this won't take very long. We're almost done, but I do want to talk about the postulate and theorem. Now, we'll be talking more about those in the coming lessons, but for right now, here's what you need to know. A postulate is a statement we cannot prove, but we have to assume it to be true. Now, postulate 1, is the first postulate. It says to any two given points, there is exactly one line. So, if I draw 2 points, we'll call that point A, and we'll call that point B. What it says is this. It says to any 2 points, there's exactly one line that we can draw to it. Only one. That's postulate 1. You don't have to memorize these, but use your references to look them up. And I will post all this stuff on Canvas for you so you will have it. All right. Postulate 1, 2 says if 2 lines intersect, then their intersection is 1 point. So basically, here's my 2 lines. There's my 2 points, my 2 lines. They intersect at exactly 1 point, and I'm going to highlight it right there. 2 lines intersect, their intersection is 1 point, right there. That's postulate 1, 2. Don't memorize these. Once again, don't memorize these, but know that if 2 lines intersect, they intersect in exactly 1 point. All right. Now, postulate 1, 3. You really need to be, here's what you need to do. Look at a wall and then look at the ceiling. When they come together, they form a line. So like right here, I'm going to zoom this up. I'm going to flip this up so you can see it. You see the wall, and then you see the ceiling. They come together to form that line right there. And I'm trying to do this very steadily, and I'm not doing a very good job of it. So anyway, imagine the wall and the ceiling. Imagine the wall and the ceiling. But their intersection forms a line. And I'll highlight those for you. All right, now the last thing you need to note is this. Through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly 1 plane. So if I draw 3 points, B, M, T. Notice these points are non-collinear. They're not on the same line, but they are in the same plane. So as long as they're not in the same, as long as they're not collinear, which they aren't, non-collinear points, exactly 1 plane. Now it says plane here. It's supposed to say plane, so I'm going to fix that real quick. That's what I like to call an oops. I do oopses a lot, but I've gotten used to that. You will eventually too. All right. So we've covered a lot here. You can fast forward this, or you can go back and review it as many times as you want to. You can email me if you have any questions, or you can ask me during class time, which will be devoted to work time and as well as answering questions. That's what class time will be for. All right. Now, last thing, here's what you need to know. You need to look over the videos that are posted. That includes these videos as well as the extra video. The extra video, if you want, is optional. You must complete the homework quiz. That is your assignment, and that'll be due on Friday. I believe that'll be due on Friday the 14th. It'll be due then, so you have to have that completed by then. You'll have multiple attempts, but the grades from each one will be averaged out. So do your best. Later on, you'll have a chapter quiz and you'll have a chapter test, and both of those will be on Canvas as well. So everything's going to be done on Canvas. That's that we just updated that the other day. So make sure you do those. Email me if you have any questions. Here are some extra problems that I'll try to post examples for you afterwards. We'll see how that goes. But I'll be here if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to working with you.